Since Eliud Kipchoge announced his goal to break the 2-hour marathon, the last great athletic barrier, experts from the INEOS Sports Group and Athletics have feverishly searched for the perfect location. In June, INEOS announced that Vienna would be the host.
We wanted this to be a big city marathon. We didn't want to be out in an aerodrome or by a river or downhill. One of the absolutely key components for Eliud and for his psychology when he's running is to have fans around him, have people cheering, have a crowd. Vienna was able to offer us all of that.
Now, with just under a month to go, the team is gearing up for a test event in Prater Park to ensure the INEOS 159 Challenge is a success.
Starting with performance, they're going to be looking at exactly what's it going to take for Eliud to be able to run the sub 2 hours. The most important thing about this challenge is the time. So making sure that that all works, that each of the kilometre markers are set out correctly, that all the timing chips work, and that all then goes back into the control centre. So on the actual day of the challenge, they can see exactly what's going on and they know where they're at. And then finally, you have the engagement team, which is making sure that the whole world gets to see this challenge. And so the broadcast teams are checking camera angles, all of the social media teams, the press teams, the photographers, again, checking positions, starting to create content that we can share with the world once the challenge gets underway.
The 159 Challenge is quite a complex project in a lot of ways. What we're trying to do here is to test a number of different systems, camera systems, how to interact with the runners, how not to affect performance, and to come away with a clear picture of what we think the final camera plan should be for the actual challenge in just over a month's time.
As viewers across the globe will be able to tune in and even choose which angle of the race they want to watch.
We've got a camera on a car in front, a non-polluting bike behind. We've got horizontal rail cam, crane cameras with the best shots that we can provide, but making sure that nothing we do will affect his performance in any way.
On the track, nothing will be left to chance. Every detail of the race is being meticulously planned and analysed, from the clothing on Eliud's back to the direction of wind. But key to success will be the pacemakers, some of the world's best athletes who will help manage his speed and give him encouragement.
The pacemakers are of the world's best standard. These are world champions, world record holders, Olympic medalists. There's a real togetherness, and that's what makes it really special.
But no matter how the planning goes, the success of the event will all come down to the work of one man.
There's absolutely nobody else that has a chance at breaking 2 hours in the marathon than Eliud. Look at any marathon that he's raced, nobody comes close to him. So there's just nobody better to attempt it.
I think ultimately if Eliud Kipchoge manages to do this, it will be, first of all, an incredible moment in history. And there'll be a generation of young marathon runners who look at this achievement and think, I can do that one day. The whole point of this challenge for INEOS Sport is to show people that no human's limited. And I think that's what inspires all of us to make sure that this is a success.
Perfect, guys.